Hello, my name is Jacob Marafi. This is my YouTube video documenting Project 2 for CSCI 4070 game programming. This game is in the Impact.js engine. The name of the game is Shrinking Sucks. The story behind the game is that you are a regular dude trying to get ready to leave to go out anywhere. It doesn't matter really. And you're trying to collect your phone, your wallet, and your keys from 3 different levels, but you get shrunk down to tiny size, and you have to navigate through the levels in order to collect the stuff that you need. This is the first level. This level is designed around my bathroom. So this level has no enemies in it. There's enemies in the second and third level. So there's jumping, falling, running, mechanics. The white boxes will do damage over time to you, and these red boxes are lava, and they'll kill you. So I have to navigate around them. There is tracking of lives, there's tracking of kills on enemies, and then there's tracking of your deaths, and there's a score reported at the end. There is, see, I just took a little damage there from the white frozen water. At the bottom of the screen, there's all the controls. This is the end of the level. You found the phone in the bathroom. This is the second level. This level is designed to be under your bed, under my bed. So there's a bunch of stuff in the background. You see the top is like the sheets or whatnot. Those are the enemies, dust bunnies. So we'll navigate through this level. There's a wallet. Alright, so the third level is like a flooded ventilation shaft. And your keys fell in here when it flooded, but they floated to the top, so you have to go all the way to the bottom of the level, and then all the way back up in order to get there. So this is all water, that's why he's bouncing off everything. He's floating a little slower. This is the swimming part of the game. There is water in the first 2 levels as well, but they're smaller sections. This whole level is water. So we're bouncing around, and then this last part you have to climb up the walls. And there's the keys. Alright, so I'm going to show the death screen by killing myself a few times. There's also death sounds, jump sounds, and firing sounds as well. So there's 4 lives. You see it's going down in the top left. And this is the game over screen. It shows your total kills, your total deaths, and your score. And if you start over, it takes you back to the opening screen. And the first level. The parallaxes are in the background. You can see them at every level. And that's pretty much it.